Joint pain causes great discomfort, aches, and inflammation, and might vary from mild to severe, acute or chronic. The main causes of joint pain are injuries, gout, lupus, broken or dislocated bones, and fibromyalgia. Joint pain might be aggravated or relieved by certain foods. The following foods should be avoided in order to soothe the joint pain and its accompanying symptoms. Sugar. If you suffer from joint pain, you should avoid processed sugars, as they stimulate the release of inflammatory messengers, called cytokines. Therefore, do not consume cereals, donuts, chocolate bars, and sodas, as excessive sugar levels also apply pressure to bones and cause weight gain. Refined carbohydrates. White flour products like bread and crackers, white potatoes, white rice, and cereals are refined carbohydrates, which are the leading causes of obesity and chronic issues. They have a high glycemic index and trigger the production of AGE, which stimulates inflammation. Red and processed meats. These meats contain chemicals, purine, and nitrate, which worsen pain and support inflammation, as well as cancer growth. Dairy products. Dairy is a highly inflammatory food for numerous people, and it can lead to an inflammatory response. Corn oil. Corn oil is added to various snacks and baked goods, just like numerous oils rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Yet, studies confirm that these oils cause inflammation. Therefore, you should stop consuming salad dressings, soy, and grapeseed oil and replace them with anti-inflammatory omega-3 alternatives, such as nuts, olive oil, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Alcohol. Joint pain is significantly aggravated by excessive alcohol consumption. Beer is rich in gluten and purines, which are converted into uric acid in the body, and thus have a negative effect on joint pain. Salt. Numerous packaged and pre-made foods are high in salt and other preservatives, as ways to extend their shelf life. Refined salt is abundant in chemicals and additives, which disrupt the fluid balance in the body. Hence, make sure you avoid junk food and microwavable meals and use pink Himalayan sea salt instead of regular table salt. Monosodium glutamate. Monosodium glutamate or MSG is an additive used to improve the taste of foods and is often added to salad dressings, deli meats, prepared soups, and soup mixes. This additive seriously aggravates joint pain and inflammation, so make sure you stay away from foods that contain it.